I'm a liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady.
Hi, hello, welcome back. My name is Katia Valino. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger. If you just want to drink water and lose weight, stay here. If you want to have flawless skin just by water, stay here. If you want to prevent cancer formation in your system, stay here. So let's jump down into making this water. But before I even show you the water, I will advise you, if you have not already subscribed, please do me a favor and click on the red button that says subscribe, and also remember to share this video even before you finish watching the video. So let's jump down into making the water. So down here I have about 2 liters of water. This is the jug of water. The first thing you want to be adding into your water is some lemon. I have some sliced lemon here. Add lemon. I also have a slice of lime. I'm going to add lime into my water. The next thing you want to add is some ginger. Some slices of ginger, depends on your taste. And when I add sliced ginger, I love adding ginger juice as well. Just a little bit of ginger juice, half teaspoon of ginger juice, which is 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. The next thing you want to be adding is mint. This is mint leaves. They are already washed up. It makes your water to taste very nice. So I added some mint leaf. The next thing I love adding in my water is parsley. Parsley helps to curb all the fats in your system. So if you have cucumber, please add cucumber. I was thinking I have cucumber at home. I don't have cucumber. So I have this water here. If you have berry, add some berries. This is powerful antioxidant, blueberry. If you don't have blueberry, don't worry about it. Just add lemon, lime, ginger, and mint. So I added few of the blueberry in my water. Another thing I love adding in my water is turmeric. This is ground turmeric. So I'm adding just 1/4 teaspoon into my water, and I'm gonna spin it all around. And you want this to sit in your fridge or to sit on the counter from overnight, so that you can have all the taste of everything that is in this water. But however, I'm going to pour myself a little bit of water. This is what it looks like, but because the ingredients have not already immersed into this water, the taste will be a little bit mild. But when you let this sit overnight, you are able to get all the awesome benefits of everything that is added in this water. So this is how you drink your water, everyday water. You are getting all the nutrients, and you are also cleansing and detoxifying your systems and taking out all the fats in your entire body. You can't go wrong with just water, but a lot of people don't drink water because they find it very flat. So this is there for you. It's medicinal to take care of a whole lot of things in your system. Thank you, and go and start drinking your water today. Bye. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Love you.
Yeah, look back, move that, way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar, now you they mash up the place, enter the radar, cause you are what's in me brain, the only special original, pumping on me high grade.